Okay, interview, take one.
Manual clacker. So we're shooting a video series about the Jewish story, Jewish history, you know, how we got from point A to point B, because there's a lot of gaps in common knowledge. But, you know, here we're just filling in the gaps, you know, what was happening in the meantime. I hate when I say you know. Oh, it's such a filler word. We're telling the Jewish story. It's about 3,000 years of history, all the way from Abraham down to the modern state of Israel, filling in all the gaps and answering a lot of questions you might have had along the way. And it's fun. What's great about this is that you're getting a fuller image. You're learning essentially your great-great-great-grandparents' stories, and you're getting a fuller picture of your own history, which is awesome. Where was I going with that? Jeez. It's our shared history and our shared story. It's about what connects the Jewish people. It's over 40 episodes launched every other week, talking about our story, going from an ancient tribe all the way through our various wanderings to the present day. Tune in and learn something new, or rehash something that you've already learned but might be missing a detail on that'll take you by surprise. We launch on Mondays every other week, beginning June 29th, so make sure that you stay tuned. Otherwise, you won't get to see it. Oh, I feel like none of that was usable. I'm so sorry.
Oh, that was great.
All right.
Did it work?